Singapore has hit a record high for its average daily foreign exchange trading volume in April 2019. That's according to findings from a triennial survey conducted by the Bank for International Settlements. The survey also showed Singapore remains the third largest FX center globally after London and New York. Brendan again with more.
Broad-based growth across most currencies helped drive Singapore's FX market over the last 3 years, with trading volumes of top-traded currencies like the Euro, US, Australian and Singapore dollar rising by up to 45%. Singapore's trading volume hit a record high of $633 billion in April 2019, up 22% from $517 billion in April 2016. This led Singapore's share of global FX volumes to come in at 7.6% in 2019, on par with Hong Kong and ahead of Tokyo. However, it's lower than its 7.9% share in 2016. The dip is mainly because of the slower rate of growth. However, steps have already been taken by Singapore to boost FX trading even further. The Monetary Authority of Singapore is already offering incentives to major FX players that agree to build systems here that would remove the delays caused by routing trades via Tokyo or London, that would reduce the amount of time it takes for a trade to go through. The central bank said it is heartened to see robust growth in Singapore's FX market, with global players continuing to invest here. MAS added it expects the investments to improve the trading landscape. One analyst is confident that these moves will support Singapore in maintaining its position.
Our leading position is a private banking or wealth management hub in Singapore. Also, sort of complement our FX center proposition, because as private banking clients or investors grew to increase their exposure to FX or take it as an alternative from equities and also fixed income, that also increase the flows for FX in Singapore.
Looking ahead, analysts say geopolitical uncertainties like the Brexit and the US-China trade tensions could be seen as beneficial to Singapore's status as a FX center.
The number of transactions rises when there's uncertainty. So as more and more businesses or investors hedge the FX element in terms of their investments, I see that there could even be a tailwind in terms of FX transaction or even status as FX hub for Singapore.
Mr. Chia said Singapore's FX growth is also due to it being the Asian headquarters for global banks and institutional investors, as well as multinational corporations.